Good morning, grade 10 students. Welcome back to our class. We are on discussion of the topic models. In yesterday's class, we came to know the prime difference of models, MODEL or MODAL, isn't it? It's very clear for us now. And then we came to know about what are models or modal verbs or auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries, at the same time modal auxiliaries. What are the primary auxiliaries? Once again I want to repeat. Primary auxiliaries are be forms, do forms and have forms. When it comes to modal auxiliaries, can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to, dare. These all comes under modal verbs, right? So for these words you will be having negatives also. Means if it is possibility, then impossible also. What is that? Can't, shouldn't, couldn't, wouldn't, all the negatives, mustn't, all these negatives also will carry forward. And mainly what was the purpose of these models? To express ability. One, to express possibility, to express impossibility. So for all these permissions, to ask permission, to seek permission, possibility, ability, these all comes under this. And when we are using models, sometimes for some areas, some corners, we may not depend upon the primary auxiliaries, isn't it? Means no need to depend upon be forms or else do forms or have forms, right? And yesterday we learned about can, could. A big thanks to each and every 10th students for active participation of the tests. Yesterday I conducted 4 tests. Majority of them have written it and they posted too. Okay, for that sake I'm very much happy and thankful to each and everyone. And today's class we'll go ahead with may, might. If time permits in the video, then I'll go for will, would, shall, should also, isn't it? So these things we have to go in a clear-cut manner, right? Now we can continue.
Now students, let us learn about the usage of may and might. So here may is used in several aspects, that is for permissions, possibilities, probabilities, okay, to express permission or to express possibility in the sense here practical possibility, or the next one is to express a wish or to express a purpose. I will give you the examples here, okay? Like we can go ahead with may. For example, if you take as permission, may I have another cup of coffee? May I have another cup of coffee? Or why that much lengthy sentence? May I come in? May I come in, sir? You can take may I go now? Completed your class? Shall we close the video? Like that. May I go now? If it is possibility in the sense I may finish my homework. I may finish my homework. Simple sentence, sir. Then I can go ahead with he may win. That is my possibility, practical possibility. She may agree. Generally, some students being lazy, they may ask their classmate, hey Ramya, please write down my notes. Then what is the reply? Still wait. She may agree. That is practical possibility. Or he may win. He is playing. Both the teams are in a sport to spirit rivalry. He may win. You are supporting him or you are a big fan of him. He may win. That is practical possibility. And the third one is to express a wish. To express a wish in the sense, naturally we'll be saying what? May God bless you. May you live long. See, these are the common things, isn't it? Generally we'll be wishing them. May God bless you. May you live long. Yeah, these all. And the next one is to express a purpose. What? To express a purpose. Eat that you may live. Eat. For what sake? Just then you may live, that's it. Okay? Eat, you may live. So what are the uses of may here in the sense? One is permission. Second one is practical possibility. Third one is wish. And the fourth one is what? A purpose. And when you come to might, may, might, na? When you come to might here, it used for less positive version. It might rain tomorrow. It might rain tomorrow. Okay. Or else we can say for polite permissions. May I suggest an idea? Okay. Like that also we can ask possibility. Polite possibility. We would better phone tomorrow. They might be eating their dinner now. What is the example here? We would better phone tomorrow. They might be eating their dinner now. Why to call them now? Why to disturb them? So they might be eating. You know that? No. We don't know that whether they are eating now or not, because it's based on the time. Isn't it? Night 10 o'clock. What will you expect 10 or 11? They are about to bed. They are about to go to sleep. Isn't it? We can't expect at that time they will be going out. It's not the time now. So basing on that, might is expected one. A polite possibility or a polite permission. Or probability also we can say. I might go on a holiday to Australia next year. I might go on holiday to Australia next year, we can say. Okay. So might is used for less positive version. It might rain tomorrow, just now he said. Are you sure? No, it might. And now the other example I said, what is that? I might go on holiday to Australia next year. He might. It's a planner is there, but we don't know. We can't. And at the same time, the other example, we would better phone tomorrow. They might be eating the dinner now. So overall, less positive version of may is might. Okay. Less positive version of may is called the usage of might. Hope you understood what I said. Any doubts? See there, may, might. One is may. This word may here, possibility, probability and permission. Okay. And might is less positive version. It is polite permission or again possibility or probability. That makes the difference between may and might. Okay.
Dear students, we came to an end of today's session. Just we can recap. What we learned today? May and might. So what are the use of might or what are the use of may? First of all, we can discuss about may. So the uses of may is to express permission, practical possibility, isn't it? And the next one is a wish. May God bless you and all. And the purpose. And what about might? Might is less polite way of the version of may. That's it. Okay. What it is? Less positive version of may. Isn't it? So these two we have learned. Okay. Now take down the homework. Homework time in the sense, yesterday you wrote some exercises on can and could. And some sentences with negatives also. Can't and couldn't. Now may and might. With these I will give, if possible, a combination of can, could, can't, couldn't, may, might. All the set till now what we had yesterday's and today's topic as a combination. I will be giving some exercises. You please do it in the homework book itself. Don't get confused. Okay.
That's all for today. Meet you in the tomorrow's class. Bye.